What is the accounting equation? The accounting equation is a basic rule of accounting. It shows the relationship between assets, liabilities, and equity. The accounting equation is assets equal liabilities plus equity. Assets are what a business owns. Examples of assets are cash, buildings, equipment, and inventory. Liabilities are what a business owes to others. Examples of liabilities are loans, bills, and debts. Equity is the owner's share in the business. It represents the value left after paying all liabilities. The accounting equation must always balance. This means assets must always equal liabilities plus equity. If something changes on one side, it must also change on the other side. For example, if a business takes a loan, assets increase and liabilities increase. If the owner invests money, assets increase and equity increase. The accounting equation is the foundation of double-entry accounting. It helps ensure accuracy in financial records. All financial transactions follow this equation. In simple words, the accounting equation shows where money comes from and where it goes. Easy way to remember: what the business owns equals what it owes plus what the owner owns.